friends, long time no see. I know I've been away for a long time and I'm back doing a little bit of a video and I'm talking all things PLOUISE Pro. If you don't know what PLOUISE Pro is, it's all going to get explained all fully in detail. I am enrolled onto the course and so far it's absolutely amazing. It's well worth the money, and yeah, if you want to know more about what PLOUISE Pro is, keep on watching. So as most of you know or may not know, I am an affiliate with PLOUISE, so I have been studying with them for about 3-4 years now. I first went to the academy around about 3 years ago to do my makeup. I did a proper professional course. Now they have come so far within cosmetics, within, you know, in-house services, online courses. They've come such a long way. So if you don't know who PLOUISE is, they really revolutionised the makeup market with PLOUISE base, eye bases, popping pigments, cut creases. They were the first, if not one of the first, to do cut creases and just really bring it to the market and bring revolutionary makeup to the market. And I am so happy to be a part of the brand because I just have such a passion for the brand. I love Paige to bits. Let's talk about the course that I'm doing. So the course that I am doing is called PLOUISE Pro. Now this is a 12-month long course and it is £500, but it is worth so much more. So within this course you get given a kit, a full-on PLOUISE kit worth up to £1,300, which is just absolutely insane. Wait until I show you it, it's just unbelievable. And also you get to go to the academy 4 times to do makeup looks, and you also get online videos. I believe it's like 4 a month. So let's deep dive into what you actually get for £500. So before I show you what you get in the kit, let's talk about what you get as a course. Now the course is up to 4 videos a month. Now I've noticed that I've got given way more videos, so the 4 videos that we got on the course in month 1 are all voiced by Paige. So Paige is basically the one that voices it. She goes really deep into depth about how to use the base, how to use the products. She really breaks it down. I've learned quite a lot already just from these little, small little things that I never thought of before. Just these little things. 4 videos and you learn different looks within those 4 videos. So it could be a really smooth eye look, it could be a triple cut crease, it could be technical. We just don't know what we're getting, but it's literally amazing already. Month 1 was incredible. You also get a video on social media skills. Now the social media side of it is basically breaking down how to get yourself out there, how to grow on social media, whether that's reaching clients or just if you're like, you know, kind of like an influencer or anything like that, how to make the most out of social media. So there is a few more videos. There's like hints and tips on how to get brow stuff, how to, you know, just like little videos on like how-tos and tips and tricks, which is amazing. And also this month there is more videos on there, so I believe there's around about 15 videos on there already with all different looks, from bridal, heavy wear makeup, and it breaks down all the skin. So the PLOUISE skin that you see on Instagram, it breaks everything down, how to use cream products, how to go full coverage, how to make sure, how to, you know, if someone's got beautiful freckles, how to not cover them up but still make them look absolutely beautiful and glam. It's just, so far, it's amazing. So let's talk academy visits and what you can actually learn. So I am going 4 times. Now, those 4 times each cost up to £500, if not more. So if you was to pay to go to the academy just for 1 day, you're looking at about 500 quid, if not a little bit more. And we go 4 times for 500 quid. That's it. that you can pay in installments, and literally that is it. Like, this course is just so undersold already, and that's before we've even got into the kit. And like I said, the kit is worth £1,300, and just think about how much you get in for that one-off payment of 500 quid. It's just, I'm not even finished with what you actually get yet, so oh my god. The looks that you can choose for when you actually go to the academy varies. You can either do Zoom calls or you can actually go to the academy. I've chosen to actually go to the academy because I need to be there, and you get taught by actual PLOUISE makeup artists. So the looks that I've chosen to do is technical. So I've chosen to just learn all technical because it's the one area that I really want to grow in. So basically there is looks 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you can, I won't go into the ins and outs of how to book systems and how to book it all, but basically, yeah, you can choose bridal makeup, everywhere day makeup, like technical makeup like I've chosen. There's so much that you can choose from to learn. You can choose a random look. It's just absolutely amazing. And then when you have that Zoom lesson or when you go to the academy, that's what you'll be learning, and it's just absolutely amazing. Like I am so excited. So I'm going there in, I believe it's October, December, February and June or July. So when you book onto this course, I think there was only about 500 places or something like that. And once those 500 places have gone, no one else will be able to book on until the year after. So it's literally so exclusive. It's honestly, if you haven't booked on already and there's still places, highly recommend to book on. Now, you also get a PLOUISE Pro card. Now, what is a PLOUISE Pro card? Now, this entitles you to 30% off PLOUISE store. Now it automatically goes onto your account online, but also if you take this into the PLOUISE Academy, you can shop there and get 30% off. You literally just show them this and you'll get 30% off anything from the academy that's in store. So yeah, I just love this because it's something to keep, and just like, you know, I just love anything PLOUISE. So yeah, you also get 30% off goodies. Now, as well as all what I've just spoken about, you also get first exclusive looks at new releases. You get first like offers to get your hands on it basically, which is amazing. I'm happy about that. So far, just how amazing does that sound? So without further ado, let's get into the kit. Now, I have used most of the kit on my face today. Let's go. Okay, so the kit, what you get, comes in 2 massive boxes like this. And I'm going to show you roughly what's inside. There's a lot to go through, so I'm not going to go through everything, but I'll just show you like bits and bobs. So first up, you get these palettes. Now, everything that I'm going to be showing you is going to be sold individually at some point. So yeah, everything that I show you, you will be able to buy at some point. Most of this, what we've got in these kits, is brand new. No one else has it yet, depending on when you're watching this video. But yeah, everything is eventually going to be sold separately. So you get these little palettes, and these are magnetic. So everything comes individually packaged, which I'll just hit myself in the face. So everything comes individually packaged, which I'll show you in a minute, but literally they just clip in like so. And yeah, once you run out of that shade, you will eventually be able to buy it and replace it. But yeah, these are the bronzers, as you can see. Amazing, amazing variation of shades, really, really beautiful. And then this one is the blush palette. I've actually used this shade today on my cheeks and underneath my eyes as well. Really beautiful formula, and yeah, look at the colours are just beautiful. I wish there was a yellow in here as well, to be fair, but you never know, you never know. And then next up, you get 75 eyeshadows. So as well as the blushes and bronzers, you get 75 eyeshadow palettes, not eyeshadow palettes, eyeshadows, single eyeshadows. So they come like this. They all come individually wrapped and packaged, and then you've got like the shade at the back. So when you take them out, It's got like a little pouch and then your shadows in there. So again, these will all be sold individual, but I'll show you the palette. Like, just how insane is that? Like 75 shadows, like it's just crazy. Like, my mind's blown. So then this is the palette. So it's basically a book, which I absolutely love. Now in this palette, you can fit 105 single magnetic eyeshadows. On the back, it's got a little bit of like quotation and stuff, which is really cute. So let me show you how I've organised mine. So when I open it, here are the shadows. Now these are all brand new shades, nobody has these. So this is how I've organised mine. I'm wearing this shade here on my lid, and it's just like, the shimmers are unreal. Like, this is just absolutely beautiful. You can see how blinding it is there. And I've used like a few of these shades at the bottom. So yeah, that is the first row, and then this is the second row. So this is basically how I've organised mine, and then that's the last row. So yes, this will be sold individually as well, which is obviously amazing. So keep your eyes out for that. Then next you get lashes. So you get 10 pairs of lashes, again all individually cased. And these lashes, guys, are absolutely stunning. Like, look how fluttery and beautiful they are. I'm not wearing them today just because I wanted something bigger, but these are really quite natural. Some of them are very dramatic, but they're just absolutely beautiful. So yeah, you get those. By the way, guys, you can use my discount code ADAMASHMAN10, which is linked below, and you'll save 10% off anything P.LOUISE and stuff like that. So yeah, if you want to use that, feel free. So you also get every single P.LOUISE brush that they've ever released. So let me get these out. So yeah, you get every single P.LOUISE brush, which is just crazy to me. You get a brow balm, which if you haven't tried the brow balm yet, highly recommend it. It's bloody amazing. You get every single P.LOUISE brow shade, so that's every single shade of the brown mascaras and every single shade of the pencils. You also get sent a little diary planner. So if you haven't seen these, basically it's just like a planner that you can write in to plan all your, your dates that you go into your academy, or if you do have a business, you can plan all your businesses, write notes, write ideas. I already have one of these which I haven't filled out yet, so I will be giving this away, so stay tuned for that. And then you also get every single shade of the original P.LOUISE base. So from 0 to 11, or is it 0 to 12, something like that. You get a random selection of paints, you get some lip bases, metallic paints, I just can't care. So guys, that was pretty much all of the kit. There's a lot to show you, but there's like loads of pictures out there. But my main reason for doing this video is basically I just wanted to come on and tell you what you get for £500. Now, I did do a payment plan where I just paid £125 for, I think it was like 4 months or something like that. So I'm near enough paying it off, but you just get so much stuff for your money. The kit alone is just unbelievable. This course is for anybody, so whether you are a professional, whether you are experienced, or if you're brand new to makeup, it's literally a course for everyone. It's basically there to help you level up, whether that be leveling up with your clients, to learn new makeup looks or routines, anything like that. It's there to just really level you up. The P.LOUISE artists are there for you as well to just help you and grow, which I'm very excited about. So yeah guys, if you have any questions about the course, feel free to contact me, and make sure you are following my Instagram because I will be doing a giveaway at some point of all of the bases. I have every single shade of the base and paints, so whatever bases and paints I got from the kit, I will be giving away. I've also got a mini P.LOUISE eyeshadow palette that I'll be giving away as well. So yeah, make sure you're following my Instagram for that. and make sure to look out for it. So yeah guys, if you have any questions about the PLOUISE Pro course, feel free to contact me. It's just unbelievable. I feel like I've missed loads. Like the stuff that we get in this course is just unbelievable. Highly recommend it. The amount that you get for the price is just mind-blowing and it's just unreal. So yeah, if you do have any questions, shoot them down below and I will hopefully do some more content for YouTube if I get my life together. So yes guys, love you lots and speak to you soon.